Welcome to LogikLand.com, the ultimate destination for creators and entrepreneurs looking to dominate the puzzle book market. Whether you're a beginner or a professional publisher on Amazon KDP, LogikLand provides you with all the tools you need to create high-quality, best-selling puzzle books in just a few clicks. Today, I'll show you how to transform your ideas into professional books efficiently. As you can see, our dashboard is designed for versatility. You can choose from multiple formats, tailored for different audiences, whether it's kids' adventure books, seniors' large print puzzles, or standard expert levels. We offer a wide range of popular puzzles, including mixed puzzles, professional crosswords, Sudoku Master, hidden words, and amazing mazes. The possibilities for your next KDP project are endless. Let's dive into the Sudoku Master tool. The process is incredibly intuitive. First, select your content language. We support 5 major languages. Set your book title and choose your preferred page size, like the standard 8.5 by 11 inches. You can even include a how-to-play page automatically to provide extra value to your readers. Everything is streamlined to save you hours of manual work. Now, let's talk about logic. You can choose between a single level or a multi-level book. From very easy to insane and expert levels, you have full control over the difficulty distribution. Choose how many puzzles you want per page, for example 4 or 6, and customize the grid organization. Our system ensures that every puzzle is unique and perfectly formatted for printing. This is where LogikLand truly shines: customization. You can adjust margins to meet Amazon KDP requirements perfectly, but it doesn't stop there. You can change fonts, adjust sizes, and even modify background colors. Want a specific look for your headers? Use our sync feature to apply your design across all pages instantly. This ensures a consistent, professional look throughout your entire book without the tedious manual editing. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, saving and exporting is just a click away. You can download your book as a high-quality PDF, ready for immediate upload to KDP, or as a PowerPoint file, PPTX, if you wish to add further personal touches. As you can see in this preview, the output is clean, professional, and high resolution, exactly what customers are looking for. In less than 3 minutes, we've created a complete professional puzzle book ready for the market. LogikLand is designed to help you scale your publishing business and generate passive income faster than ever before. Stop wasting time on manual design and start creating your next bestseller today at www.logikland.com. Thank you for watching and happy creating.